Welcome students. Today discussed about BSc second year syllabus. Today article is the straight line and the plane. In the previous lecture we have discussed about straight line and the planes, intersection of straight line with planes and other articles also. So here today taken some questions on this article, means straight line and the plane. So here consider first question. First question is find the equation of the plane which pass through the line of intersection of the planes u1 is equal to a1x, b1y plus c1z plus d1, and u2 is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equation of a straight line from which our required plane is passing, and also given an extra condition. Extra condition is plane is parallel to x-axis, means required plane, that is the plane which passing through intersecting line, given intersecting line is also parallel to x-axis. Therefore in the solution write given equations of straight line, or it is also called of intersection line is u1 is equal to a1x, b1y plus c1z plus d1, and u2 is equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2. Given equations of intersection line are u1 and u2. Here u1 is equation of plane, intersecting plane, and u2 is also equation of intersecting plane. And then the equation of it is represented by first equation, means in the first equation of a straight line. Now write the equation of plane which passing through this line. So equation of plane, equation of the plane which passing through given straight line, first, means intersecting line first, is u1 plus k times u2 is equal to 0, means a1 x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 plus k times a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. Here taking simplification of this equation and consider all variable of x in one bracket, all variable of y in second bracket, and all variable of z in third bracket. At last all constant values. So after simplification is write in the form a1, write in the form a1x, a1 plus a2k times x plus b1 plus k times b2, y plus c1 plus k times c2 times z plus d1 plus k times d2 is constant is equal to 0. This is equation of the plane which passing through given intersecting line, means in this equation here k is a unknown number. So if you can find the value of k by applying to the extra condition, then putting the value of k in again this equation, means equation second. So equation of the required plane is complete equation. So for this, in the question given that find the equation of plane which passing through this intersecting line and parallel to x-axis. If any plane is parallel to any line, means this is plane. Suppose that plane is plane second, and any line which is parallel to this, any line which is parallel to this, suppose that is line first, parallel line, this is line x-axis, sorry, line x-axis. Then in the three-dimensional space, you know that if any line is parallel to any plane, then normal to that plane must be perpendicular to parallel line. Therefore used to this property here, and also given that plane second is parallel to plus x-axis therefore normal to plane second must be perpendicular to the x-axis. So this is property of the three-dimensional space. When a line is parallel to the plane, then normal of that plane must be perpendicular to the parallel lines, means here parallel line is x-axis, and whose direction cosines are 1, 0, 0, and direction cosine of normal to the plane second are a1 plus a2k, b1 plus k times b2, means coefficient of x, y, z are called direction cosines, direction ratios of the normal to the plane second. So angle between normal and this line is equal to 90 degree by the question and by the figure. Therefore here used to the formula cos 90 is equal to a1 plus k times a2 here multiply by 1 plus b1 plus k times b2 times 0 plus c1 plus k times c2 times 0. After simplification to this, cos 90 is equal to 0, you know that. So putting here 0 and multiply by 1 is equal to a1 plus k times a2, a1 plus k times a2 plus 0 because here multiply by 0 and also 0. So here second simplification and find the value of k. K is equal to minus a1 by a2. The value of k is equal to, from this equation, is equal to minus a1 by a2. Putting this value of k in the equation second, putting k is equal to minus a1 by a2 in equation second, then equation of straight line then equation of straight line is, sorry, equation of the plane, then equation of the plane is, then equation of the plane then equation of the plane is. Here in the question, find the equation of plane secant, for which the value of k is very necessary. So here the value of k is minus a1 by a2, which putting in the equation secant, and after then equation of the required plane, means equation of putting in the equation secant, the equation of the plane is a1 plus k is equal to minus a by 2. So here a2 into minus a1 by a2 times x plus b1 plus b2 times minus a1 by a2 times y, and in the z component c1 plus c2 times minus a1 by a2 z. At last constant is d1 plus k times d2, d1 plus k is equal to minus a1 by a2 times d2 is equal to 0, which is equation second. So in the equation second we are putting the value of k, which is equal to minus a1 by a2. After then equation become in this form. Here this is equal to 0, because after simplification is equal to 0. So 0 times x plus, after simplification, is equal to b1 a2 minus b2 a1 times y, same as c1 a2 minus c2 a1 times z, and same as d1 p1 times a2 minus b2 times a1 is equal to a2 times 0 is equal to 0. Here a2 taken in LCM form and simplified to each bracket, then is equal to 0 times b1 a2 minus b2 a2 times y, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 times z, d1 a2 minus d2 a1 is equal to a into 0 equal to 0. So here write in the simple form of the required equation of the plane is equal to b1 a2 minus b2 a1 times y plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 times z plus d1 a2 minus d2 a1 is equal to 0. This is complete solution of the question, means equation of required plane which passing through given intersecting line first, and also parallel to the x-axis whose direction cosines are 1 0 0. So applying to cos theta is equal to L1 L2. Here write to the formula cos theta is equal to L1 L2 M1 M2 and N1 N2. With help of this formula find the angle between normal to the plane and this straight line means x-axis, but this is perpendicular. So here put in the cos 90 and the value of L1 L2 M1 N2 plus N1 N2 means cos 90 is this, and after simplification find the value of k, which is equal to minus a1 by a2. So unknown number k is equal to minus a1 by a2, putting in equation second, which is equation of required plane, means passing through intersecting line. So it's complete solution of the question. First I have taken. Next question. Right to question second. Question second is find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane through the line line equation is 3x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 10, means minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 4 is equation of intersecting line and parallel to the line equation is x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z. In this question, means question second, find the equation of plane through the line 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 4. Means here aim is find the plane which passing through intersecting line, and intersecting line equation is this general form, and also plane is parallel to the given second line x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z, which is in the symmetrical form of the equation of line. So in the solution, given that given equation of intersecting line are 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 4 is represented by first equation. So in the first equation, write equation of given intersecting line. This is equation of given intersecting line. But in the question asked that what is the equation of plane which passing to this intersecting line. So first write to the equation of plane which passing through this intersecting line, and write here the equation of plane which passing through line first, means intersecting line, intersecting line first. So here want to an equation which passing through two equations which is represented by in the first equation. So this equation is 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 10 plus k times 2x plus 2y minus 3z minus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation which passing through combined intersecting plane, means intersecting line. Here taking simplification to this equation, so 3 plus k times 2 means 2k times x plus minus 4 plus 2k times y plus 5 minus 3k times z plus 5 minus 3k times z. Okay, in the last bracket 10 minus 4k is equal to 0. Suppose that is equation second. So in the equation second, write an equation of the plane, means equation of required plane, which equation is 3 plus 2k times x minus 4 plus 2k times y plus 5 minus 3k times z plus minus 10 minus 4k is equal to 0. In the question given that this equation, this plane is parallel to the given line x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z, which is in symmetrical form of the line. So here want to draw a figure, means suppose that this is and this is line second and is plane second. This is line whose equation is given, means x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z, and this is plane second, which is represented in the equation second. You know that in three-dimensional space, if any line is parallel to the given plane, then normal to the plane must be perpendicular to the given line. Use to this property here and find the value of k. So but given line is x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z, is right in systematic form, means x by 1 and y by 1 by 2 and z by 1 by 3 is represented by equation second. So in the equation third, equation of symmetrical line and equation second, equation of the plane. But according by question, normal to the plane second must be perpendicular to this line, means line third here, line third. So used to this property, then given line this, and according by question plane second is parallel to straight line, second, third. Therefore normal must be perpendicular to straight line third, So by rules of angles of two lines, means cos theta is equal to L1, L2, M1, N2, N1, N2. Here cos theta means theta is equal to 90 degree, because normal of this is perpendicular to line third. So cos 90 is equal to, used to directly formula angle between two lines, cos 90 is equal to 1 into 3 plus 2k into 1 plus minus 4 plus 2k times minus 2 1 by 2 plus 5 minus 3k times 5 minus 3k times 1 by 3. You know that cos 90 is equal to 0, and multiply 0 is equal to 3 plus 2k plus minus 2, here write minus 2 and plus k plus 5 by 3 minus k is equal to 0. So solving this equation for unknown value k, and the value of k is equal to minus 4 by 3. So after solving this equation, it is implied that k is equal to minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. So here in this process, the value of unknown number means k, unknown number k is equal to minus 4 by 3 by using two perpendicular angles between two lines. First line is normal line of the plane second, and second line is given line x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z. So after this, putting the value of k means k is equal to minus 4 by 3 in equation second. Putting in equation second, then equation of required plane is here, putting the value of k in equation second, then equation of required plane means the equation of that plane which is asked in the question. So here is equation second, 3 plus 2k, 3 plus 2k, 3 plus 2, k is equal to minus 4 by 3 times x plus minus 4 plus 2k, minus 4 plus 2 into k, here k is equal to minus 4 by 3, times y plus at last 5 minus 3k, 5 minus 3k means minus plus, and cancel to 3 each other, 3 cancels from 3, and here 4 means 9z plus at last minus, here putting the value of k minus 4 by 3. So after simplification, this is equal to where right minus 10 and minus plus, and here 4 means 16 by 3 plus 16 by 3 is equal to 0. Simplification to this equation and complete equation of the intersecting plane means x is equal to x minus 20y plus 27z is equal to 14, means 14 is equal to 0. Simplify to this bracket and this bracket is equal to x minus 20y plus 27z minus 14 is equal to 0. After taking LCM, right side and multiply with 0 is equal to 0. So is last equation of this calculation, which is required equation of the plane, is required equation of the plane. Is complete solution. This is answer of the question second. So in the question second, given that equation of intersecting line and also given that a parallel line which is parallel to the required plane. Here first calculate the equation of plane which passing through given intersecting line, which is represented by equation second. You know that if any plane is parallel to any line, then normal of that plane must be perpendicular to that line. So use to this property here, and direction cosine of given line is r1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, while direction cosines of normal to the plane second are 3 plus 2k, minus 4 plus 2k, 5 minus 3k. Okay, then using to the formula cos theta is equal to L1 L2 M1 N2 plus N1 N2, which all you learn in previous articles, previous lectures. So using to this formula here, cos 90 theta is equal to 90 because both are perpendicular to each other. So 3 plus 2k this is, and simplify to this equation, the value of k is equal to minus 4 by 3. This value of k putting in equation second, then equation of required plane means plane equation which passing through given conditions. So that is this plane x minus 2y plus 27z minus 14 is equal to 0 is complete solution of that question. I want to next question. Write to question third. Find the equation of plane. Find the equation of the plane through the line x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to y minus 3 divided by 3 and z minus 4 divided by 5, and parallel to x axis and z axis, and parallel to first x axis, second is z axis. In this question, ask that equation of plane which passing through given equation of straight line means this straight line, and also parallel to x axis in first case, and in second case means here asked to do two questions. First question, when required plane is parallel to x axis, and second case is when required plane is parallel to z axis. So question is complete, and our aim is also discussed and understand. Here want to a plane equation which passing through this line and parallel to in first case x axis, and in the second case parallel to z axis. So given that equation of straight line is x minus 2 by 2, y minus 3 by 3 and z minus 4 by 5 is represented by first equation. So in the first equation of straight line, this, if you write a plane which passing through this line, means suppose that plane is this and line is this. Suppose that is line first, given line, and is equation of required plane. This is plane. So equation of the line in which point 2, 3, 4. This plane must be passing through this point, means 2, 3, 4. And suppose that direction, cosines, direction ratios of normal to this required plane are small abc, then you can write an equation of plane, in general equation of plane which is required plane. So if small a, b and c are direction ratios of normal to plane, normal to required plane, here write required plane because equation is not completed for the plane. So normal to required plane which must passing through given a straight line, means given a point which is lies on the straight line. Point is 2, 3, 4. Given through the point 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 3, 4 is point on the given line. So this plane must be passing through this point, means required plane is also passing through 2, 3, 4 point. Each and it's normal to the plane which passing through this. Then equation of required plane is a times x minus 2 is a point, plus b times y minus 3 plus c times z minus 4 is equal to 0 is represented by equation second. So equation second is equation of required plane. In this, three unknowns are present, small a, b and c. So our aim is that first calculate to these values, these unknown values, by applying to next conditions. Next condition is when plane, means plane second is parallel to x-axis. So here making two cases. In the first case, plane parallel to x-axis, and in the second case, plane second is parallel to z-axis. So write here two cases. In the first case first, required plane second is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, normal to this plane must be perpendicular to x-axis line, straight line. So in the first case, given plane second is parallel to x-axis, the direction ratio of x-axis is 1, 0, 0. You know that if any plane is parallel to any line, then normal to that plane must be perpendicular to the parallel line. So use to this property here also, and then normal whose direction ratios are small a, b, c, whose here write in the bracket form small a, b, c are direction ratios. So normal to plane second must be perpendicular to the x-axis, and direction ratio of x-axis is 1, 1, 0. It is property in the three-dimensional space of straight line and the plane. Means if a plane is parallel to a line, then normal to the plane must be perpendicular to that line. Real line is x-axis and plane is second. So used to and condition, means a dot 1 plus b dot 0 plus c dot 0 is equal to cos 90 is equal to 0 is represented by equation third. Is equation third. So in the equation second is required plane equation, and equation third is an condition. Each condition A into 1, B into 0, plus C into 0. Also know that if this line, this given line is lies on the plane, totally lies on the plane, then in this case normal of the plane must be perpendicular to this line, means an extra condition here, since plane second is passing through given line, here line is first, given line first, then normal to plane second must perpendicular to, is perpendicular to line second, line first. Here used to this condition, means normal to the plane second is perpendicular to line first. So in a condition same as condition third, means A dot 2 plus B dot 3 plus C dot 5 is equal to cos 90 is equal to 0 is equation fourth. So in equation fourth, in equation third, two equations are which are related between three unknowns. So here unknowns number is 3, but equation number is only 2. So here using 2 the cross ratio multiplication rule, and with help of that you can find the value of unknowns A, B, C. So solving equations third and fourth, then A divided by, using by cross multiplication rule, A divided by 2 coefficient of 2 means 0 into coefficient of C means 5, 0 into 5 means 0, minus 3 into C means 0 is equal to minus B divided by minus B when taken B. So coefficient of 1 with 5, so 1 into 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 2 into 0 means 0 is C divided by when they taken C. So eliminate C column, and 1 multiply by 3, so 3 minus 2 multiply by 0, so 0. Solving this, and A by 0, B by minus 5 and C by 3 is required the value of the small ABC, unknowns ABC, with help of cross multiplication rule, which already learned in the high school classes and inter classes. So here the value of ABC which are unknowns in equation second is clear. Now putting these values, A is equal to 0, B is equal to minus 5 and C is equal to 3 in equation second, then equation of required plane is. So putting the value of A, B, C in equation second and complete equation of required plane, here A is equal to 0 times x minus 2 plus B is equal to minus 5 times y minus 3 plus c is equal to 3. So 3 times z minus 4 is equal to 0, which is equation second. In the equation second, putting all values of unknowns a, b, c and simplify to this is equal to 0, minus 5, minus y and minus plus 15 plus 3z and plus minus 12 is equal to 0. Here simplify to this and write in the equation of plane minus 5y plus 3z and is equal to plus 3 is equal to 0. Each complete solution of the equation of the question third. In the first case, then required plane is parallel to x-axis. Similarly, you can prove that I want to taking from here case second, given plane second is parallel to z-axis. So eliminate to this and write to z-axis. Whose direction ratios are 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Then normal ABC are direction ratios to plane second must be perpendicular to z-axis. Here write case second. In the case second, z-axis. So 0, 0, 1. The direction ratios of z-axis. Then after same process will be as in the case second, and you can calculate the value of required plane. In the case second, here 1 into 0, b into 0 plus c into 1 is equal to cos 90 because plane is perpendicular z-axis. So normal of the plane must be perpendicular to the z-axis. For this condition third, here write two condition third, fourth. So fifth, and also given that required plane is passing through straight line first, therefore normal to the plane means required plane must be perpendicular to this line, means line first. So using to this property and can write to condition 6th, means condition 6th. In the condition 6, a into 2 plus b into 3 plus c into 5 is equal to cos 90 because both are perpendicular to each other is equal to 0. Now solving equation 4th and 6th, then here 4th and in this, then a by here taken a, so eliminate a and 0 multiply by 5 is equal to 0 minus 3 into 1. So 0 minus 3 is equal to minus b is divided by taken b column. So 0 into 5, 0 minus a means 2 into 1 minus 2 is equal to c. In the case of c eliminate. So a into 0 is equal to 0 and 2 into 0 equal to 0. So 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Simplify to this ratio a by minus 3, b by 2 and c by 0. Putting these values of a, b, c in the equation second, then you can calculate the required plane equation which parallel to z-axis, means in the case second. So here it is case second. So putting these values, putting a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 0 in equation second, then equation of required plane which parallel to z-axis is putting these values of A, B, C in equation second. So A times x minus 2 plus B times y minus 3 plus C times z minus 4 is equal to 0. Putting the value of A minus 3 times x minus 2 plus 2 times y minus 3 plus 0 times z minus 4 is equal to 0. Multiply with 0 is equal to 0. So here minus 3x plus 6 plus 2y minus 6 plus 0 is equal to 0. Here take a negative sign from this bracket and minus 6 plus 6 cancels to each other. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. Answer is answer in the case second when required plane is parallel to z-axis. So friends, discussed about in the question third, when plane parallel to x-axis in the case first and when plane parallel to z-axis in the case second. In this case first write to the equation of plane which passing through given straight line first, which is represented by equation second. After then applying 2 times same property, means when a plane parallel to x-axis or z-axis and when a plane passing through a given line, then in both conditions then normal to the plane must be perpendicular to those lines. So used to this property, and after calculating two equations by help of the cross multiplication rule, complete to the value of small a, b, c unknowns in the case first and case second, putting these values of small a, b, c and find to the complete solution in the case first and second of required plane equation. Now take a next question. Friends, I want to give an question for revision to you. Please write the question and solve this question with help of the previous 3 questions solution, and write the question. Question is find the equation of the plane. I want to talk to you. Write please. Find the equation. Please write the question for homework. So find the equation of the plane through the line x minus 1 by 3 is equal to y plus 6 by 4 is equal to z plus 1 by 2, and parallel to line x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to z plus 4 by 5. Also, so that the point 2, 1 minus 4 lies on it. So, solution of this question is present my notes. You can see into this. So, in this question, ask that equation of required plane which passing through given straight line first and which are parallel to given straight line second. So, question will be same as in the case first, here given a straight line equation. So, and this is line given 2 lines First write the equation of plane which passing through given straight line and reach to the equation second. After then plane must be perpendicular, plane normals must be perpendicular to first line, therefore use to this condition and making an equation which involve in unknowns a, b, c. After then also given that required plane parallel to second line is x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to z plus 4 by 4. So here normal to the required plane must be perpendicular to this second line because plane is parallel to this second line, so normal will be perpendicular according by rules and theory. So applying to cos 90 is equal to L1, L2, M1, N2, N1, N2. Therefore, after this you have two required conditions which are involved in unknowns small a, b, c. So solving to these two equations with help of cross multiplication rules. Solve and at last find the value of small a, b, c. Okay, when you can find and complete to the value of small a, b, c, putting these values of small a, b, c in equation second of your question and simplify to that equation second. After you can find a equation, complete equation which is plane equation, and you write the equation of required plane, means equation of plane which asked in the question. तो स्टूडेंट्स हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पुटअप किए जो कि स्ट्रेट लाइन और प्लेन आर्टिकल पर डिपेंडेंट थे इस चैप्टर में, जो कि बीएससी फर्स्ट ईयर का सिलेबस है। और इसके अतिरिक्त हम लोग और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पुटअप करेंगे जो कि स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड प्लेन से रिलेटेड रहेगा, और 3 डायमेंशनल जो कि आपका थर्ड पेपर है इन द बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर, BSc first year. I want to that you solve to every question with full confidence, and for which must be exercise of each question at the home. So thanks for today watching and discussed in BSc first year syllabus of straight line and the planes. Now I want to next lecture